Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal without an SSN. Many individuals need an alternative to using their social security number for online payment platforms. We will cover the specific steps and documentation required to successfully create your account. Understanding the distinctions between account types is essential for navigating the setup process efficiently. This guide aims to provide clear, actionable information to help you get started quickly and securely. Choosing between a personal and business PayPal account is your first critical decision. Personal accounts are generally straightforward, but often require a social security number for complete verification and full feature access. Business accounts, however, are specifically designed for entities and can use an employer identification number instead. This distinction is key for those seeking to avoid using an SSN. Opting for a business account aligns perfectly with using alternative identification methods. The Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is your primary tool for business account verification without an SSN. It's a federal tax identification number for businesses, acting much like an SSN for an individual. For those without an SSN but needing a personal account, an individual taxpayer identification number, an ITIN, might be an option, though an EIN is more commonly accepted for the business route. Both are legitimate numbers that can help you secure your PayPal account. Once you have entered your chosen identification number, be it an EIN or ITIN, PayPal will initiate its verification protocols. You will typically be prompted to upload additional documents, such as your business registration or other proof of identity, to substantiate your application. This step ensures the security and legitimacy of your new account. Expect the verification process to complete within approximately 2 to 3 business days, after which your account will have full access and operational capabilities unlocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.